Drones are everywhere. Small unmanned aircraft are no longer just for hobbyists. Militaries use them for reconnaissance and strikes. Criminals use them for smuggling and surveillance. This proliferation of drones creates new dangers. Small drones are hard to detect and track. They can carry cameras, weapons, or dangerous payloads. Protecting ourselves from these threats is vital. Traditional air defenses are not effective against small drones. Large missiles are too expensive and unwieldy. New, innovative solutions are needed to counter this growing threat. Many non-lethal technologies are being developed to counter drones. These technologies offer a targeted, controlled response. They neutralize the threat without causing unnecessary damage or casualties. Static electric shock systems. These systems use a directed electric shock to disable a drone's electronics. They are effective at close range and minimize collateral damage. Electromagnetic pulse, EMP. EMP systems create a burst of electromagnetic energy. This pulse disrupts electronic circuits, effectively disabling drones. AI-driven countermeasures. Artificial intelligence is key in detecting and classifying drone threats. AI-powered systems can identify drones, assess their threat level, and deploy the most effective countermeasure. Sonic and sensor disruption high-intensity sound waves can interfere with a drone's control systems. Sensor disruption techniques can blind a drone, preventing it from navigating or targeting. Laser systems, high-powered lasers offer a precise and scalable solution. They can disable drones at a distance, even in challenging environments. Physical neutralization, nets, interceptor drones, and other physical methods can capture or disrupt a drone's flight path. These methods are particularly useful for capturing drones intact for forensic analysis. Beta ray radio transmission for reprogramming. This emerging technology uses beta ray transmission to rewrite the software of target drones mid-flight. This allows friendly forces to safely down or take control of hostile drones. The applications of counter-drone and robotics technologies extend beyond the battlefield. Military armed forces need these technologies to protect bases, troops, and infrastructure from drone attacks. Counter-drone systems are crucial for maintaining operational security and force protection. Civilian law enforcement can use these technologies to counter drone-enabled crime. Prisons can prevent the smuggling of contraband. Airports can ensure airspace safety around runways. These technologies also have applications in critical infrastructure protection. Power plants, dams, and other sensitive facilities can use counter-drone systems to mitigate the risk of sabotage or attacks. The use of counter-drone and robotics technologies raises important ethical and legal questions. It is crucial to ensure these technologies are used responsibly and proportionally. Clear legal frameworks governing their use are essential. Rules of engagement must be clearly defined to prevent misuse. The potential for collateral damage and unintended consequences must be carefully considered. International cooperation is crucial to establish norms and standards. A collaborative approach is needed to address the global challenges posed by drone proliferation. The development and deployment of these technologies must be guided by a commitment to human rights and international law. Transparency, accountability, and oversight are paramount to ensure responsible innovation in this field.